first verdict is out. Appointment of PJ Thomas has been held to be illegal. That's the first verdict coming in from inside the court. The appointment of PJ Thomas has been declared to be illegal. That's the verdict coming from the Chief Justice of India. Appointment of CVC PJ Thomas has been held to be illegal. Tamanna, that's the breaking news coming in. PJ Thomas will have to step down. The Supreme Court has called his appointment illegal.
All right, Navika, I have Ridhim Bhardwaj, who was in the courtroom with the latest details. Ridhim, go ahead. What did the court say?
Tamanna, clearly the court today says that the entire recommendation that had of the high-powered committee that had gone ahead and recommended the appointment of CVC Thomas was vitiated. It fails to carry out its constitutional duty. Therefore, Thomas must go, since as a corollary of what had happened in that recommendation, the appointment of Thomas was made only after the recommendation was given by the high-powered committee. The court today laid down several stringent observations against that high-powered committee that had gone ahead and made those observations. Very clearly today, the Supreme Court now says Thomas must go. The appointment of Thomas was not correct. It was in violation of the Act. The reason for this being that the high-powered committee goes ahead and states very clearly that it had not taken into account any of the informed decisions that it should have. It did not take into account the CVC clearance. It did not take into account DOPT notings, which had observed that penalty proceedings should be carried on against Thomas. The CVC did not consider on 6th October 2008 that in fact there were proceedings that were pending against Thomas in lower courts. All these factors should have been taken into consideration by the high-powered committee that was chaired by the Prime Minister of the country, Home Minister of the country, as well as leader of the opposition, which very clearly said that in fact they should have taken, during his appointment being made, they should have taken all these factors into consideration.
All right, Ridhim, stay on with us. We're joined with Ravi Shankar Prasad of the BJP. Sir, your first reactions. The Apex Court has said that this appointment is illegal, that he must go.
Well, we quite appreciate and respect this great verdict, which ultimately sustains the rule of law and democracy in the country. Mr. Thomas's appointment was wrong right from the start. Swaraj has opposed his appointment, has mentioned all these things, yet government was hell-bent on doing it. And that too for a body which is supposed to monitor corruption in the country, and that watchdog itself was mired in corruption in government, Mr. Thomas. Therefore, if the Supreme Court has decided this, we welcome it. And I would say the rule of law is well in the country, and the democracy and the parliamentary tradition gets strengthened.